give reasonable information concerning the nature.
It was not in my possession to the position of the
rights as provided under Article 49 were violated for lack of being visited by one or two of his lawyers. Your Honor, maybe to try to move faster, there's also an element of a ground for one to not to be allowed to take plea, an issue of mental incapacity. That has not been raised there, that Honorable Kaguchia is on sound mind. If that could have been the case, then the court could have allowed us to go.
I wonder what is responding to. There was no such a thing. We cannot.
I'm giving the grounds as to why
we can't raise such an issue. A member of parliament cannot be the same.
Only that you know we shall be critical because he's raising matters of facts. And in our response, we have been dictated.
Very well. We leave it to you.
It's all right.
We leave it to you. Of evidence as contemplated, as it is required from the decision that I shared, any justification or reasons to transfer a case must be
and sound in law.
We're just consulting. Sorry.
The court yesterday with regard to the dates that were captured on
and no prejudice whatsoever will occasion the accused person herein if this court handles the matter. Or where the parties to that case reside or work. Is determined by where the incident occurred. Or where the parties to that case reside or work. But Your Honor, this is not an ordinary case where the parties to that case ordinarily reside or work. You know, this is not an ordinary case. The suspect before you is a sitting member of parliament. He represents the constituents of Murukuruini. He is therefore a state officer. Yes, he is a sitting member of parliament for Mukuruini constituency. He is a state officer, therefore. And by virtue of that, he wields immense political and rural influence. From the members where the utterances were made, immense political influence. within his locality and where the utterances were made. And that is the jurisdiction where we expect some of our witnesses to come from and testify. In order to ensure there's going to be a free trial for victims and all witnesses in this case, it will be prudent that this court there is going to be a fair trial for both the victims and witnesses in this case. The victims and the witnesses in this case. For this court to hear and determine this matter. Then that will ensure that our witnesses are not compromised, coerced, or intimidated in any manner.
Just in relation to some positions yesterday in regard to territory. Look at paragraphs 29 to paragraph 34. On this one, yes, in this one. Sorry? Enter paragraph 29 to 34. Yeah, 29 to 34. That's where you find ratio decidedi on that. Charging someone outside the territorial jurisdiction where the offense was committed is violation of Article 50. What you'll find